1. Automate everything. Not because it's fancy, not because it feels good, but because discipline fails and systems don't. When money hits your account, it should already know where it's going. Emergency fund, index funds, bills, investments. Before your brain wakes up and tries to sabotage you, automation removes the debate. In the world of money, hesitation is the thief. 2. Look at your portfolio as little as possible. You don't check your heartbeat every 3 seconds. So why check your investments every day? The market moves like weather, up, down, sideways. Stare at the storm long enough, you'll panic. Ignore it, you'll grow. Out of sight, out of emotion, out of your own way. 3. Invest boring. Boring doesn't impress anyone. Boring won't get you likes, but boring builds wealth. Index funds, ETFs, broad markets, the stuff everyone ignores because it's not exciting. Yet it beats most smart investors year after year. Forget pretending to be a Wall Street genius. Play the game that actually works. 4. Take calculated risks, not stupid ones. Not, my friend said this will 100 times ones. Once your foundation is built, you earn the right to take shots. A portion for tech, AI, companies you believe in. Risk isn't the enemy, recklessness is. If you're young, time is on your side. Use it like a weapon. 5. Ignore the woman in the red dress. Every week there's a new secret stock, a new future millionaire coin, a new hype wave built to distract you. Most of it is bait. Most of it is designed to drain your wallet. Focus on the long game. Focus on what you understand. Focus on what lasts. Attention is currency. Stop giving it to clowns. 6. Stand on the shoulders of giants. You're not too special to learn. You're not too smart to listen. Great investors learn from greater ones. YouTube, books, mentors, all shortcuts disguised as content. Humility compounds faster than money. Just don't copy blindly. Understand deeply. 7. Make investing your first priority. Average people think of spending first. Growing people think of investing first. When money comes in, your question should be, how much of this can I put to work? Not, what can I buy? Treat investing like a habit, not a chore. When watching your money grow becomes more satisfying than buying something temporary, you've won. 8. Invest at all-time highs. Yes, you heard that right. Waiting for the perfect moment is how people stay broke. You don't need to time the market. You need to be in the market. Consistent investing beats perfect timing because perfect timing doesn't exist. Buy when it's high, buy when it's low. 10 years from now, those numbers won't matter, but your discipline will. 9. Don't rely on one income stream. You'll never invest your way to wealth if you only make enough to survive. Your income is the engine. Investing is the fuel. You need both. Work, side hustles, skills. Build something that pays even when you're tired. You can't save your way to freedom. You have to earn your way there. 10. Don't wait for someone to save your financial life. No parent, no boss, no friend is coming to make you wealthy. You have to choose it. You have to commit to it. Your future doesn't care about your excuses. It only cares about your habits. If you're serious about building something real, stay close. Not for me. For the version of you that's tired of being broke, tired of being behind, tired of being average. This path is yours. One habit, one paycheck, one investment at a time.